What is going on YouTube? This Honcho back with another video. As you can tell by title and thumbnail, we're going to be installing some new coilovers today. As I mentioned in the last video, we did go up, ending up buying BC Racing Extreme Lows. I'm really excited for that. They're literally brand new, never installed. I picked them up yesterday for my boy. Well, not yesterday, but a few days ago. But yeah, we're actually on our way to the shop right now so that we go get it installed, you know, dial it in, install the alignment, everything. I'm pretty excited on the turnout. I was gonna bring some extra tires with me so I could downsize the tires all around. I think I'm gonna say that for another day. I'm gonna just have them install it, get the best fitment they can on these tire setup, because honestly I like the big tire setup. Actually, you know, looks better than low profiles in my opinion. So let's see what type of fitment we could get with it. But honestly, I'm just excited for the ride quality. That's one of the biggest things that I'm glad I'm upgrading to, and obviously, you know, just a new fitment and everything. But we did put everything in the trunk, so I'll show you guys when I get over there. My boy Jay is gonna meet me, because I'm basically think I'm gonna just drop the car off. I don't think I'm gonna wait there the whole however long it takes. But yeah, so I'll pick up the camera once we get to the shop. Also, I do want to thank you guys for tapping in on the Instagram and the YouTube subscribers. You guys been showing mad love. I think we're at like 1150 right now subscribers, and Instagram we've been running it up over the last couple posts, and I've been getting a lot of DMs from you guys saying that you're from YouTube and you had a couple questions, and I really appreciate that. So don't be scared to hit me up. I got you with any questions, you know, anything about the platform, anything at all, you know. I'm more than happy to help. But yeah, I'll catch you guys once we head over there. Alrighty, y'all, so we just made it to the shop. Fly Air, we about to go install it. Not sure how long the time is, but regardless, I'm hyped about the results on it. Shout out Fly Air for any alignment or anything. Always go here. They're one of the best. Always make sure shit done right. So shout out to them. So after jumping off the car, we went for a quick little gas station break, but it took like this G20. Super clean on the VS, the Work VX XX, I think they're called. Nothing look good. So with the BC Racing coilovers, we're not allowed to run these SPL ones just because they're not really adjustable. And the good thing is BC Racing comes with their own inside the box as well, so it kind of makes sense why they only bring their own. But these aren't adjustable, so these won't work, and plus the setting on where they're supposed to sit is a little bit different. So probably just gonna sell these on Facebook Marketplace or just give it to whoever buys the coilovers. So it's kind of unfortunate. I did pay $280 for these, but it's all right. Gotta make everything work good, you know. Alrighty, so quick update. They installed the coils just to make sure everything's right. I believe now they're gonna go to the alignment, and this is the car pulling up actually. I'm really hyped. The rears, honestly, they got it spot on. I could go lower once I get skinnier tires, but I love how the rears are sitting right now. Let's take a look. See, the rears are flush, but they're about to go run on the alignment and adjust a little bit more. I just want the fronts to be a little more lower, and then obviously with the skinnier tires, and we'll start adjusting later on. But I love how it's sitting right now. So you can see it's sitting flush. Yeah, he just tested over and said the rears are not rubbing at all, so that's good. Now it's just about adjusting the fronts. I'm super hyped on the turnout. Alright, so we got it to the final height. They're gonna be doing the alignment real quick, and obviously the springs got to settle and everything, but rears look perfect. Shout out to him. Always doing a good job here. But it's gonna look real nice once everything's all settled and fitted.
That's nice.
On YouTube, we made it back to the crib. As you can see, I was in the process of washing my car. I just ran some water on it, but I forgot to pick up the camera. So I want to show you guys, well, not the final result, but just how currently we're sitting right now. So I know the sun is kind of bad right now with the way I parked the car and everything, but currently right now, the fronts aren't even maxed out. We could go lower. He was telling me once I get some better bolts, and you know, once we wait like 5 days for the springs to settle, we could lower the car even more to get it sitting perfect, which I'm really excited about. The fronts, rears, they're fitted like amazing. Like, I can't complain about the rear. They're maxed out. They did their job. I think I hear a little bit of rubbing, but I think it's because of the tire size, so we will downsize a little bit in tire.
but the fronts are, you know, they're great, so I can't really complain. I just can't wait to settle it and, you know, adjust a little bit more, then we'll be good and fitted. Overall, the car's sitting great. The ride quality is amazing. You know, it's not stiff or anything. They put it a little bit towards the soft side, which is nice. I said sorry about the lighting, but to have a better idea, as you can see, rears are sitted clean, no spacer, no nothing, sitting perfect. So I'm in the process of washing the car. I'm gonna clean it all up, park it out in the sun so you guys can see. But I'm really excited how this turned out. Just gotta keep dialing it in and make a few adjustments, and we should be sitting perfect. So I know a few hours passed by. I ended up cleaning up the car and everything like that. But here's the final result of the setup. You know, like I said, the fronts we're still gonna dial in a little bit more, but the rears are sitting perfect, as you guys can see. Looks really fitted, really clean. The rears are maxed out currently right now. And honestly, you know, driving it for the full day, the only type of rubbing that I do here is coming from the back left, but I think it's just because of the big tire. And I'm looking at this right now, and it's definitely just tire rubbing, so I'm not really too worried about that. It's because I already know once I downsize to like a 265, 35 or even 30, I should be pretty on set. But honestly, I can't be more satisfied with the coils. They ride great, no noises other than the rubbing. It's really nice, man, and I love this fitment. This is what I've been trying to chase the whole time, that tire and fitment. They're a little bit tough, and the fronts will be the same pretty soon. Just need to let it settle and then just max it out, because remember, I'm running the 255 up front, so I don't know how much lower I could go, but you know, we'll see. We'll experiment it. I have two 35 40s, I believe, in the garage, so I'm gonna see how those sit, and if they sit clean, or I'm gonna see how these sit first, and if not, then I have the backup sit if anything. So, well, that's pretty much gonna wrap up today's video. Shout out to you guys showing support. We're about to hit 1,200 subs, which I'm really excited about. Follow the Instagram is FRHuncho. You know, I appreciate the support. Next video on the way real soon. Thank you guys for tuning in.